This is Ottoman of Tech Opium, and today we will review Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is an important phone. It's Samsung's flagship and its best smartphone in a conventional form factor. It arrives early each year and it sets the standard against which the entire Samsung device range, and most of the smartphone market, is judged. Traditionally, this is the phone with Samsung's best display, best cameras, fastest chip, and the springboard for much of its software development. We say traditionally because with the Galaxy Z Fold now in its fourth generation, there has been some not-so-subtle shift in focus. The Galaxy Z Fold4 is Samsung's biggest flagship, screen-wise, and it's the platform where Samsung's software innovations are most seen. But some things have stayed the same. If you want Samsung's best camera phone, it's the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The same goes for premium construction and battery life. On the surface, little has changed in the Galaxy S21 Ultra formula when producing the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The new phone has a built-in S Pen along with the Note's traditionally simple and, personally, boring design. The good thing is Samsung has kept what made the Galaxy S21 Ultra so great. The 5000 mAh battery didn't suffer a reduction in order to accommodate the pen, and the superb display and excellent cameras are all here. Those cameras are generally unchanged, software and slight sensor tweaks aside. And it seems that will be the plan in 2023, if it ain't broke and all that. This is the time to mention that this reviewer has used the Galaxy S21 Ultra for most of 2021 and early 2022 until he got his hands on the Exynos-powered Galaxy S22 Ultra. A Galaxy Ultra veteran of sorts, he's not someone to fall for the trap of sticking to what he knows best. He's been constantly tempted by the best smartphones on the market but has stuck with the Galaxy S22 Ultra throughout 2022. Well, mostly, we don't count cheat weeks, right? We can confidently say that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the best all-around smartphone on the planet, the foldables being a category of their own. It's a multimedia consumption powerhouse with the best screen on a phone and excellent speakers. It has the most versatile camera system with 2 zoom cameras, an auto-focusing selfie and ultra-wide camera, superb output, and a clever built-in remote shutter, the pen. It's built to the highest standard, has great battery life, and its software support is robust. What else is there? You'll hardly find a smartphone that's better as an overall package, let alone another, with the specific set of skills the Galaxy S22 Ultra possesses. Samsung has the jumbo-sized flagship segment locked down for at least another 12 months, but it still innovates with every Ultra. The Galaxy S21 Ultra was a perfection of the stellar S20 Ultra formula, now the S22 Ultra is the epitome of it. Who could have guessed that merging the S with the Note would be a great move? Clearly, Samsung. And in a couple of months, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be that little bit better here and there. Or a lot better everywhere. Here's hoping. But that's still a few months away, so let's get back to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. How has it held up? Is it still worth it in late 2022? Yes, keep reading to find out. At this point, it's no secret that this reviewer has enjoyed his time with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In the months of using the phone, he rarely missed any feature. There is hardly a better phone in 2022. Sure, there's a certain iPhone with better synthetic performance and battery life, but it can't do what this Android can do: download a torrent, sign a PDF file and mail it back, run any 2 apps side by side, etc. Sure, there are other great Android phones that do many individual things very well. But there's no single phone that does all the things the Galaxy S22 Ultra does. Now, is the Galaxy S22 Ultra still worth it in late 2022, just a few short months before the Galaxy S23 Ultra comes along? Our answer is a resounding yes, if the price is right. It doesn't make sense to pay more than €1,000 for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can find one for less than €900 brand new, possibly less if you opt for a retailer on eBay. That's the beauty of a phone that's nearly a year old, there are a lot of deals around. However, even at a year old, the Galaxy S22 Ultra still commands a premium over some of its competitors. You could get a Pixel 7 Pro for around €900, while a OnePlus 10 Pro would set you back merely €700. Those are both great phones. Then, if you want the best Samsung phone, you could wait a few months and get a Galaxy S23 Ultra.